friends, I'm Kaylin, a nutrition educator from CalFresh Healthy Living for the University of California Cooperative Extension, and welcome to Harvest of the Month. This month we'll be learning about peppers. Peppers belong to the nightshade family that includes tomatoes and potatoes, and is botanically a fruit, although we commonly refer to it as a vegetable. The Spanish name for pepper is pimienta. Peppers are commonly grouped into two categories, hot or chili and sweet peppers. Hot peppers are known for their fiery hot taste and contain capsaicinoids. Capsaicinoids are natural substances that feel hot in the mouth. Sweet peppers, however, are the opposite of hot peppers and were not widely grown until after World War II. There are more than 200 varieties with various levels of sweetness. Wild pepper plants originated near Bolivia and Peru about 9,000 years ago. They were later cultivated by the Olmecs, Toltecs, and Aztecs. Columbus discovered peppers in the West Indies and thought they were spices. He brought them back to Europe, and they spread throughout Europe, Africa, and Asia. Here in the U.S., the Pueblo tribes of the Southwest acquired wild chili peppers through trade with native Mexicans. A half cup of hot peppers, red or green, are an excellent source of vitamin C. Hot peppers contain 357% more vitamin C than one orange. It is also a good source of vitamin A, vitamin K, and vitamin B6. A half cup of sweet green peppers is an excellent source of vitamin C. By weight, green bell peppers have twice as much vitamin C as citrus fruit. And a half cup of sweet red pepper is an excellent source of vitamin A and vitamin C, as well as a good source of vitamin B6. Red bell peppers have 3 times as much vitamin C as citrus fruits. Vitamin A is great for maintaining strong eyes and healthy skin. Vitamin C helps your body heal cuts and wounds. B6 is important for keeping the nervous and immune system healthy. California is the nation's leading grower of bell peppers and is ranked second in hot pepper production. There are 4 main growing regions here in California for peppers that are harvested July through November. Southern Desert Valleys, which counts for Imperial and Riverside. The Southern Coast, which is San Diego, Orange, and Ventura. The Central Coast, San Luis Obispo, Monterey, San Benito, and Santa Clara. And the Central Valley, which is Kern, Tulare, Fresno, Merced, Stanislaus, Sacramento, and San Joaquin. Peppers are a warm season crop. They are sensitive to freezing and do not grow on cold, wet soil. It is best to germinate seeds indoors in the late winter and then transplant to the garden in late spring. Here in El Dorado County, depending on your elevation, it's best to start pepper seeds by the middle of March and transplant in early May. Check out this link below for the bell pepper nacho recipe from foodheroes.org. What's your favorite pepper recipe? Peppers come in all different colors, flavors, and levels of heat, so who wouldn't be a fan? Remember, the Spanish name for pepper is pimienta. Thank you for joining us on the Spotlight of Peppers as our Harvest of the Month. How will you enjoy peppers this month? See if you can find peppers in your school cafeteria, at the grocery store, or in the garden. Thanks for watching. See you next month!